The solar energy emitting from the sun and then delivering to the Earth in 1 hour can meet the energy consumption of the Earth of a whole year. Hanergy, shouldering the responsibility of providing sustainable, clean energy to mankind, devotes itself to the groundbreaking thin-film solar energy field. With 2,000 R&D personnel focusing on the research and application of thin-film solar power technology with high efficiency, Hanergy has obtained 1,820 patents, which play as the invincible core competitiveness of Hanergy. Hanergy, with its 4 unique technology roots, brings the benefits of the sun to every aspect of human life. With the leading technology of Solibro power generation system with appealing outlook, high convergency efficiency, and easy maintenance has been built, ranging from household power generation unit to ground power station, each of which plays as a highly efficient generation unit in the energy network. In terms of innovative application, Solibro, with its stability and high efficiency, becomes the most competitive product. By adopting Mia Soleil, the technology of continuous sputtering without breaking the vacuum, 8 kilometers of flexible thin-film solar panels can be continuously manufactured by the highly efficient production line, for once which facilitates a smooth and efficient mass production. Global solar energy, owing panels with high conversion efficiency and unique ICI sealing process, guarantees that the products of Hanergy can withstand any severe condition. With wider application of flexible thin-film solar panels, mankind further expands the fields to utilize solar energy, and any individual, any vehicle can be an independent generation unit. Alta devices focusing on flexible gallium arsenide solar cell with high conversion efficiency has been listed among the world's 50 smartest companies by MIT for twice, and breaks the world record of thin-film solar cell for many times with a conversion efficiency of 31.6%, which makes it an icon in the high-end solar energy application field. With unique high-end equipment manufacturing capacity, Hanergy has been promoting the integration of advanced thin-film solar power generation technology and tries to rapidly develop it in an industrialized way and makes contribution to the society. Attributing to its strategy of all-industry chain and technological localization, Hanergy has gained its competitiveness in technology, cost, and service, and has become the largest thin-film solar energy company in the world. While creating lucrative benefits for customers, Hanergy also lays a way to sustainable development of clean energy. Based on its leading thin-film solar power generation technology, Hanergy has converted the ubiquitous solar energy into endless electrical power. Hanergy is transforming the way people utilize energy, changing the pattern of global energy, reconstructing the global industrialization process, and ushering into a new era of energy. Hanergy.